Hi, um, I will make this video to present you one of my new companions. This will not be for sale very long. For the price and how many I will do, please stay until the end of the video, because there I will give all that information. So why then a new companion? The Magnum companion, the one I'm still using, had few problems, which I actually pointed out in my videos about it. The fact that it's actually made so thin, it will take so many tools in a very small space. This is mean we'll have quite a it doesn't have too much plastic in it, so it's easy to break, because all the features are actually very thin in order to save space. Yeah, so I said when I present my companions that these are not rugged, are done just to keep the tools, as many tools as possible, in the smallest space possible. But some people, so obviously, they had problems. They break them. They break the covers. They could not put the clip. They didn't have enough patience to put the pocket clip in this pocket, let's say. Here, some people didn't even pay attention with this multi-bit and put them upside down, because they didn't watch how I put them. And upside down means that the toothpick will fly away. Yeah, quite a lot of things with the clip. If you didn't put the clip correctly and you try to close this and press it, I see some people actually were breaking the hinges, and not only break it, but actually break it in two parts, because they force it so much in. So in order to mitigate all these problems, I built a new companion. I actually built it because I was asked to. So I have one of the users sending me the Wiha bits for it, and I thank you, Chris, for this. The companion which you will see today. I will present it without this ratchet in it. I have this ratchet, but the Chinese company who Hong Kong, no, not Hong Kong, Taiwanese company who built this, they sold only 40, and after that they don't sold this anymore. So 7-Eleven, I don't know if they will sold it or not anymore, so I'll take it out of this video. Yeah, because it seems that I have nothing to say when they sell, if they sell something like that anymore. So, the new companion. What I see is that most of the buyers are from United States, and many of them, even if this companion it was to stay in a pocket somewhere, or in a pocket of a bag somewhere, yeah, there are a lot of people who are actually wearing my companion at work, and they try to wear it on the belt, and definitely this is not fit to be worn on the belt, because the clip solution on this wasn't very good. I knew this, but I didn't have any other choice. Believe me, I try a lot. So right now I built a plate separate from the companion that is holding the pocket clip. At the moment is this clip, but you will have the option to put more clips. If I even this kind of clips, yeah, there will be options to change the pocket clip, or it will be even be a belt loop here instead of the pocket clip, and so on. So now the rails, instead of being on the companion, it's on this plate. So the rails are here for accessories. they are much beefier than what I have in this, so it will exclude the chance to break it. That way, actually, all these accessories which are coming on the top of it will not fit from Magnum to this or other way around, because they are actually much beefier rails here. But anyway, there will be only 10 companions like this for sale, so it will not be too much problems. Yeah, so the accessories, they will be just like on the Magnum, with a little bit of improvements. For example, on the Magnum I was dining these rail ends, which they can keep elastic bands or wires or anything like that, and later I incorporated in that rail ends the support for volti switch, and now I actually done it in such a way that that volti is locked there, and in order to take it out, you can see it can stay there. In order to take it out, you have to lift this lock here and take it out. There will be some other accessories like the support for the multi-handle. Now this support is done especially for this ratchet, but again, if this ratchet is not for sale anymore, I will do a support which will keep the multi-handle with the ratchet from Leatherman or any other how you call this, bit extender. Yeah, even the ones from the Leatherman. Yeah, so now you'll have a much beefier rails with a better solution for clip or a belt loop or whatever you want, and the companion will come out. It's another system of rails, and when you put it in, will click in and will stay there until you actually push it more to come out. So what you have to know, sorry for my cough, this companion is done specially for Wiha bits. If you have it on the belt, actually, let's put it here and I'll show you. If you have it on the belt, actually, you can open it when it's on the belt, and it will present you all the bits like this, so you can see the bits when this companion is on the belt. Yeah, otherwise you have to take it out, and inside you will have, first of all, on outside you will have 4 slots. One is for the Victorinox pen. I will take something because my nails are very thin. Yeah, one is the Victorinox pen. Then you can put tweezers. You can put, in my case here, it's a toothpick with the needle in it. You can put a toothpick there. And I have another one for Firefly. Yeah, I don't remember how it's called, this fire starter from United States. It's a longer one, but I have only a broken one because it's very easy to break in. So you have quite a lot of slots here for this kind of things. Then on outside, because you have the magnets here, the companion will be without this, but this is just a part of a measuring tape. So I just cut the measuring tape. I cut the first 10 millimeters because you have this end here which is already 10 millimeters. So I cut it from a measuring tape, which is a cheap one, yeah, a very small one, 2 meters. You can buy one and cut it, and after that, this roller is staying here with magnets. It's very stable there. And and you can measure screws, yeah, how deep and how thick they are, or you can use the pen to measure just like a caliper, yeah. So you measure, for example, this one here, you measure it and you see the difference on the ruler, and you know how big it is or how small. If you turn the pen upside down like this, you can use actually the pen as a deep gauge, yeah. You can measure the deepness of the, for example, the tire protuberance and so on. So this is an advantage compared with the scales here painted, because now you actually can use a ruler in inch, yeah. So you'll buy a cheap tape, measuring tape, you cut the first end of it, and you can have here in inch, will not be in centimeters as on this. Remember that this actually was done for my use. This is actually done for some people who order this, yeah. So you have the rulers, you have the Victor inox implements and the fire starter on outside. Let me take this ruler out. Obviously you can put a small metal ruler here if you want, but it will be a little bit more heavy, yeah. So you can cut one of these rulers, cut only the inch or the millimeters part and put it here. It will actually stay quite stable. So if you open this, sorry for my shaking, I didn't drink my coffee today. What you have inside? So you have 13 Wiha bits. You can definitely put normal bits, 6mm bits here. They will stay even more stable like the Wiha bits, as long as they are under 30 centimeters long. Most of the bits are actually under 30 centimeters. Wiha bits are actually longer than other bits, for example. Let me find. So here it's a normal bit. You see how short it is compared with the Wiha. But will not take 50mm bits. They are too long. So you have 13 bits. This is how much you have in replacement pack. These bits are not usually available in Europe. They are available only in the United States, and that's why Chris sent me 2 sets of this. Thank you again, Chris, for this. I see that a lot of you people are using this kind of bits, so that's why I done a companion, even if I didn't finish it. Yeah, so the plan it was that between the companion and the plate you can actually put another module that will have 4mm bits, or a module with a multi-tool. They were planned a lot of modules, but because to be honest, in the last 2 months I didn't have sales, or I have 1 or 2 sales, it's no point for me to actually develop any more of these products. So I will just sell 10 of these companions, and that's it. I will not sell anymore. So again, you have these bits here. They are held by some small magnets. These small magnets are actually holding also the ruler on the other side. And when the companion is close, actually the bits are locked by this lip here. So even if you don't have the magnets there, or they don't work very well, when this is closed, no bits will come out. Now, on the other side, so this companion doesn't have 3 pages. It's have only 2 pages. Yeah, so what you see is what you get. On the other part, you have 3 slots where you can put any any T-shank blade, T-shank Leatherman T-shank file, yeah. But underneath of these blades, you can actually put other things. So underneath of these blades, you have some slots here. You see them here and here, where you can put micro screwdriver. The micro screwdriver right now, you can use it with multi-handle. So I will advise you, when you buy this companion, actually to buy it with this rail separate, yeah, with this plate with rails and the multi-handle, because now the multi-handle, it's also working with the micro screwdriver, with the sewing needles, or even what I prefer to use, it's a sewing machine needle, yeah. And you also can put a lot of pins here, yeah, steel pins if you need to stitch out something temporary, or hobby blades in the top of that needles, or anything that you want, yeah. So you have small slots for small things. You see an example here, and in the top of them you can put the T-shank blades or the hobby blades, which are all working with the multi-handle, yeah. So if you buy multi-handle, you actually don't need a multi-tool to use this, but it's good also as a companion for a multi-tool. Also, you will still have the spacers for surge. If you use the surge with the thinner blades and you don't like that it's rattling, you have 2 spacers here, and the blades, also you have the brushes, yeah. So all these are coming in the price of the companion, on the initial price of the companion. So if you order the companion, this is what you will get. If you order the additional plate, you have to tell me what kind of fixation you want here. If you want a belt loop, if you want the plate to be done for this kind of clip from Leatherman, or some other clip or other solution, I can adapt this plate for that, yeah. And then separately you'll have to buy the accessories, the multi-handle, whatever you want. They will have the same price. The accessories, they will have the same price as the ones from the Magnum companion, but they are different because they are on different thickness of the rails, yeah. So the price, what you will see, actually, let's tell you the price right now. If you buy the companion like this, it's 40 euros plus the shipping and whatever the taxes I have from PayPal, sorry for that, or any future taxes you will have from your president. He wants to put taxes on the things that you will import from Europe, so you'll probably have to pay the taxes if you buy this, even if they will not be very long for sale, this companion, yeah. So my price for doing this is 40 euros. I will actually do only 10 of this, so if you want to buy it, probably you'll have to hurry up. The plate will be 10 euros, and the accessories for the plate, it will be the same prices as it was with the Magnum, yeah. As I said, there will be only 10 of this, and I will sell them 40 plus 10 plus whatever you buy, because to be honest, I work many hours for this. and after that somebody, as it was the case with the Magnum, somebody from Italy who never designed anything is coming, is copying my work and the work of Zap Wizard and the work of any or other things, other persons, sorry, and he will sell it. And for me, I work many hours just to not sell just one or two, and in this way I will not even cover not even the expenses I have with the material and energy that I spend to actually design this. So there will be 10 parts. This one actually will leave today or tomorrow to United States, towards the United States. And if you want one, you will have to hurry to buy one in the next 2 weeks or a week or two, because later it will be a little bit more problematic to find this for sale. So this is the companion. It was done, this Magnum actually, it was done for my needs, yeah, which coincided with a lot of other needs, yeah, and I will continue to use this. Plus I have the tiny companion, which is also I'm using quite a lot, and that it was also sold to a few people. So this is one that it was done on the request. It is much bulkier with much thicker hinges, and is done to resist more abuse. Will definitely not resist to dropping for the step ladder or from the second floor or something like that. How I heard few users that were complaining that this is broke when they drop it from the second floor of the building or something like that. It will resist more abuse. It's done actually to stay on the belt, and that's why I will actually recommend when you order this to actually ask for the belt loop instead of a pocket clip. And actually the belt loop will look similar with this, yeah. So this is actually a support that actually keep the Magnum companion on the belt without the pocket clip. This one, it's also in work, but as I told you, I don't have a lot of incentive to actually develop anything, so I didn't want to actually bring this to the market anymore, to be honest, because it doesn't work for me to work so many hours just to sell one or two pieces, yeah. So if you order this, they will be only 10 without no color change, yeah. So what you see here is what you will get in the price of the companion. When you buy it, you will have these spacers, these brushes, one soft and one hard, and that's it. If you also buy the plate for it, yeah, the one with which I recommend to be with the belt loop, it will be an extra 10 euros, the plate plus whatever you order as accessories in order to have a more complete set. What I actually recommend, other than having a belt loop here, it's actually to buy the multi-handle, because the multi-handle will help you to work. For example, I have a situation actually yesterday when I actually was tightening a nut and a bolt and a screw, yeah, with one of these screwdriver clips. And if you use just the multi-tool, you can use it as a screwdriver, but not as a plier. But in my case, I was using the plier for the nut, and the screwdriver with the multi-handle for the bolt. So it's much better to have a full set, not only the companion but actually the multi-handle, which is very versatile. You will, even if you work with the surge, you can use the micro screwdriver, you can use more things. So this will be, if you want to order, you have to write me an email at this email, this email address. Write me an email, write me that you want to pre-order one of these if you will be in the first 10, and tell me what else you want to order apart from this. For example, the plate and the accessories. Look on the list for the accessories for the Surge, for the Magnum, and I will do the same accessories for this plate. Yeah, I hope you like what you see, and I hope you will buy one of these 10 pieces just to recover some of the money I spend on developing this. Unfortunately, I cannot guarantee you that I will develop anything else. As I told you, I had in mind a lot of modules, but again, I don't want to work just to make the sale of others. Yeah, so what you will see here, it's what I will guarantee that it will be developed for this companion. The other things we'll see. Until next time, may the tool be with you, and write me if you want to buy something or you have any ideas. I will think about it. Okay, bye.